esteemed cultured YouTube viewers, I welcome you to the last session. That is not for the Jajamananendra's Kriti session, but for his Navavarna Kriti series. Till last session, I have covered 7 Avarana Kritis culled out from 94 Jajamananendra's Kriti, especially for the Sri Chakra purposes. Now, this one will be the 4th session for the Sri Chakra, wherein I am going to present 2 compositions. Now, in that too, we have covered 7 divisions. Now, it will be the 8th division of Sri Chakra. The 8th division is called Trikona, only single triangle. Trikona. This is the 8th avarana of Sri Chakra. For this, Jaichamarajendroda's Kriti I have used, calling it as Jaichamarajendroda and Sri Chakra in his centenary year. The Kameshwari Kamavardhini. See, in the first, in the Pallavi itself, name of the raga, Kamavardhini, very meaningfully. Let us try to understand the inner meaning indicated while dealing this Kriti Sahitya. It starts with Kameshwari, Kamavardhini, Bhajamanasa. Again, he never leaves mind away. Everything he addresses. Bhajamanasa. He never addresses or advises anybody. He himself addresses that to his mind. That is what the beauty of the Kriti. Kameshwari, Kamavardhini, Bhajamanasa. Kamavardhini, there is also again Pratimadhya Raga, Muthuswami Dikshita school of thought. That is Venkatabhakya school of thought. This Kamavardhini is called as Kashi Ramakriya. Kashi Ramakriya. So here the name of the raga, Kameshwari, Kamavardhini, Bhajamanasa. He says again, Kanchi Kamakshi remembers. Kamakoti Pita Nivasini Kamakshi. Pallavi Sahitya. He has stood all the 108 Shakti Pitas. So he remembers the glory of Devis, the pertaining Devis. He knows the Sthalapurana and Mahatmya of each Devi. So it has all come to very handy and into the fingertips to compose. He says great Sanskrit scholar also. Sanskrit scholar too. Kameshwari, Kamavardhini, Bhajamanasa, Kamakoti Pita Nivasini, Kamakshi. Now we can have the darshan of Kamakshi through this Kriti. Another thing is, in Mysore city, there is a road called straight from the southern gate of Mysore Palace, Ramanuja Road. There is a temple, beautiful temple. When Jaichamarajendra Wadaya has visited Nepal, he saw that Pashupati Natha's temple. So, by seeing that temple, in his lifetime, through his Sri Vidya Guru, Shilpi Siddhilinga Swami, he constructed the Kamakameshwari temple. That's a beautiful temple in the Nepal state. It is there. It's for kind information of the viewers. When you visit Mysore city, you can better if you visit the temple. So in that, he remembers that, he visualizes. So in that way, he composes this Kameshwarim, Kamavardhinim, Bhajamanasa, Kamakoti Pita Nivasinim, Kamakshim, Anupallavi Sahitya, Kameshwara Manohari, Karunyadhari. See, Kameshwara Manohari, it is it comes this in the Lalita Trishati, Kameshwar Manohari. So it very well establishes how well read and understand the meaning, inner meaning of Lalita Trishati. That is why he uses in Lalita Trishati Nama from 242 namas to 259, about 18 namas, 1 8, again 9. So 18 namas starts with Kameshwara, Kakara, like that. Kameshwara Manohari. All these things, because to compose, to become a Vagyakara, not only knowing the music, and also the Sahitya part here is much more important, that too while dealing with the Shrividya aspects. Kameshwara Manohari, Karunya Lahari, Karuna Katakshim, Kanjadalaya Takshim. That's what he uses the Kakara many times. That's for alliteration. Kameshwara Manohari, Karunya Lahari, nearly 12 ka. Meaningfully it comes, the words. Kameshwara Manohari, Karunya Lahari, Karuna Katakshi, Kanjadalaya Takshi. He remembers Kamala Manohari Raga, Muthuswami Dikshita's composition, Kanjadalaya Takshi. Because in his asthana, in his court, many stalwarts have sung. So that is why he remembers all those very good listeners. I will be always using the word KTJ. Kelme, K for Kelme, T for Talme, J for Janme. Chamarajendra, J, he knows all these three things, KTJ, Kelme, Talme and Janme. That is why he could be able to compose these types of gems, and we have to remember and respect Chamarajendra. But apart from that, he was a king for these contributions. That is, Karuna Katakshim, Kanjadalaya Takshim. These words made me to say much about him. Then he says, Kalatita Ekamreshwara Kama Paripurnagari Tripura Sundari. He says, beautifully he says, Ekamreshwara. He depicts in front of our eyes, he brings the entire Kanchi. That's the way of a composer. Muthuswami Dikshitara has also did. Tyagaraja did like that. All the Das Varanyas. Because here the main element is devotion, bhakti. Bhagavantanalli anurakti. That is the main thrust of all the composers. So here also he says Kala Atita Ekamreshwara Kama Paripurnakari Tripura Sundari. Next comes Charana Sahitya. Sarvanandamaya Trikonantargata Chakravasini. You have already understood, if you have carefully viewed my other videos, how you have utilized the words for this type of Sri Chakra. Here very clearly he says Sarvanandamaya Trigonantargata. Directly it comes. This is the 8th avarana, Trigonantargata Chakravasini. Trigonantargata Chakravasini. Pancha Brahma Paryankopaveshini. Pancha Brahma Sanasthita. Lalita Sahasranama comes immediately. Sharva Mahakala Bhairavadi Vagdevata Sahita Chatushashti Kalantara Yogini. Chatushashti Koti Yogini Ganasevita Manuvidya Chandravidya Chandramandala Madhika Charu Rupa Charu Hasa Charu Chandrakala. A stream of Lalita Sahasranama and Lalita Trishati comes to his mind, and he has composed. If you go in depth about the Sahitya, these things will occur. So, Sarvanandamaya Trikonantargata Chakravasini Pancha Brahma Paryankopa Veshini शर्व महाकाल भैरवादि वाग्देवता सहित चतुष्षष्टि कलांतर योगिनी. Next, नवदिनकाल साहित्य सौम्य सौम्यतर कांतियुता सोम सूर्याग्नि लोचना. 3 eyes of Kanchi Kamakshi. Soma, Chandra, moon, Surya, sun, Agni, the third eye. Soma, Surya, Agni, Lochana, Shubha, Vida. Very auspicious. By really looking at the eyes of Kamakshi, we will get all the auspicious things. That is what he says. He has visited Kanchi many times. So, all his visits made him to compose this type of kriti, I feel. Soma Suryagni Lochana Shubhanvita Somanatha Manollasini Saubhagyadayini Sharadadi Trishakti Rupini. Beautifully. Somanatha Manollasini. Here we can say Somanatha Manollasini as Parvati. Saubhagyadayini as Lakshmi. Sharadadi Trishakti Rupini as Saraswati. So, in one kriti, while dealing with the Kamakshi, he remembers Parvati, Lakshmi and Saraswati because he knows the words Sanskrit. It's because of in-depth study of all the scriptures made to compose this type. So, he concludes, Somanatha Manollasini. Again he says, why we have to contemplate the dhyana part is to see our mind become calm mind, to get calm mind, and also real Satchidananda, real happiness. Here, Manollasini is real Satchidananda. Only we get Satchidananda when we contemplate on in depth, when we merge with God. Somanatha Manollasini, then Saubhagyadayini Sharadadi, the Shakti Rupini, he concludes. So, let me try to play 1 or 2 minutes Kamavardhini, and then Sahitya I have read. I will try to sing and play while recording in my house. So Tana in Veena comes to my rescue. I can play a Tana with lot of sounds. So thereby, because while viewing, you can listen the barking dog and also street vendors shouting. So it is also a part of our life, you know, we have to accept it. That is why why suddenly increases the sound of Veena? Because to quench that sound, I am doing this. Really Tana comes to my rescue. ஏகாம்பரேஸ்வர் காமபவதி பூர்ணகரி திரிபுர சுந்தரி one in the Sri Chakra division is most important. The previous one, that is Trikona, is refers to Devi. Bindu, the last one, refers to Shiva. Prakriti, Purusha. So this is the significance of Sri Chakra. Now the last one is God. This is the Bindu part. Bindu is also considered as, according to Saundarya Lahari, Chachutatvarimshat Vasudhala Kalash Trivalaya Rireka. So there are 44 triangles. Even the point also becomes a triangle. What is the propagation of Shankaracharya? After Trikona Kriti, no, the ninth avarana, ninth division is called Bindu, that's a point. So in this, for this, the very opening of this Kriti itself, the Chamarajana's Kriti out of 64, out of 94, 64 on Devi, out of 64, I repeat, out of 64, 9 I have taken for to my rescue to propagate Sri Chamarajendra Vadiyar and Sri Chakra. So in this concluding Kriti, that is for this 4 divisions, I have utilized 4 hours, literally 4 hours for this 9 Kritis. This will be the last one in the, not last one for the Chamarajendra Kritis. The session is going to be continued from next session. There are many. Now I could able to propagate or present Sri Chakra in 9 compositions of Chamarajendra. Now Sri Chakra Pura Nimasini Amba, directly that's come to my rescue. Sri Chakra Pura Nimasini Amba. So the Raga, I think in the previous session, Lalita Raga has been introduced, where Chamarajendra Vadiyar has composed in the Raga Lalita. Now, in this, for Bindu Kriti, the Raga is Shuddha Lalita. See, Raga, very, very rare. I have searched thoroughly in Google, have not found any composition in the Raga Shuddha Lalita. For the academic purpose, because I am doing this just like a workshop for the beginners, for the learners. At least let them know in the centenary year how I, being a Mysorean, how our Mysore Maharaja, the last king, Sri Chamarajendra Vadiyar, in his centenary year, apart from his kingship, how he has contributed to the literary world, Sri Vidya world, and also to the music world. That's the main thrust, crux of this workshop. So, in this regard, the 9th avarana, for the 9th avarana, the Kriti is Sri Chakra Pura Nimasini Amba Raga Shuddha Lalita. It is in the Janya of 11th Mela, Kokila Priya. Yes, Kokila Priya. It is derived from Kokila Priya. So this is the this is called Sarvanandamaya Chakra also. This Bindu Chakra is called, and there is, for every chakra there is another, apart from the division name, main division, there is a chakra that's called. Naturally, we should be always happy. Satchidananda. That is why this in this Sri Chakra Nivasini Amba, it's a Bindu Kriti. Sarvanandamaya Chakra. Yogini is Parapara Rahasya Yogini. So if you want to be happy, each individual has to say, think about his own happiness. Parapara Rahasya. One may get for something happiness, for another person. So each individual is different in this universe. So he has to find out his own happiness in his own way. That is the another way Sri Chakra says. Para, para. If you want to, for that word and for this word as para, para. Para, para, rahasya. Need not explain where, how I am happy, how you are happy. Please be happy as I am happy. You cannot dictate and say. Each mind is different. Even one mind is different for several times. on several occasions. When, how can we say each mind is one? No. That is why para rahasya yogini, this is the in this bindu, lot of inner meaning are there. Just a gist of it, because I am concluding this session with this bindu kriti. This is what, how many things when we think about Sri Chakra comes. For that, just a bird's eye view I have given. With this, now let me go to straight away to Sahitya. Padavi Sahitya, we start with, again, has very freely used Sri. Sri have counted more than 350 times Sri he has used in 94 pages. Sri is a very, see, when we used to, nowadays it's an SMS language, we don't use, elders knows, we used to write always to start a letter Sri, Sha plus Ra plus E, Srishti Sthiti Laya. So that's a very meaningfully Sri is, because to write a good things, we have to start with Sri. Like that, he started Sri Chakra Puranivasini Amba. Again, Sri Raja Rajeshwari. So many Sris he has also used in this composition. Sri Chakra Puranivasini Amba. Sri Raja Rajeshwari Mamama. So that's it. Just Mamama means you protect me. That's all. You are the protector. Who else? In that way, just in my, it's my creativity, entirely my creativity, because I have culled out 9 truths. When I tell the meaning also, it almost it's similar to the 9 division of Sri Chakra. Here also, Sri Chakra Puranivasini Amba Sri Raja Rajeshwari Mamama. In Mamama means, as a king, he never asked himself, whole entire universe, just you please protect Raja Rajeshwari. That is what always the composers, always they never ask anything for themselves. It is public at large, humankind, mankind. Like that, they, as a king also, Sri Raja Rajeshwari Mamava. If the king is happy, if the king is good, then naturally all the subjects, the prajas, they will also be good. That is also inner meaning. Another, now Manupallavi, Sri Kanta Daite, the concept of Ishvara, Sri Kanta Daite, Shaila Jate, says, Shrita Jana Parijate, Shuddha Lalita Raga name, finally, in a very beautiful manner, he just embeds the name of the raga very meaningfully. Shita Jana Parijate Shuddha Lalita Swara. There is a flower called Parijata. Its smell is beautiful, but it fades very quickly. It loses its glamour, but the fragrance is so good. Like that, our life should be like that. It should be Jai Chamarajendra lived like that. He just lived for 55 years. He just joined Sri Vidya in his 55th year. Just like Parijata. Shrita Jana Parijate, because Shuddha Lalita Swara, Shuddha Lalita Raga name, Shuddha Lalita, that is Kokila Priya Janya, Shuddha Lalita, very rare raga, Shuddha Lalita Swara, Shubhrahara Viragite. And Pallavi concludes. Next, in the Charana, Kama Kashinyadi Chaturdasha Kamini Samsevita Mahamaya. Again, Kama Kashinyadi. He remembers in the concluding this Bindu Kriti, there are 16 lotus petals. I have already, while explaining that, I have shown. Kama Krishna, there are such 16 Kama Krishna, Rupa Krishna, Rasa Krishna, Vadya Krishna, like that it comes. Each petal has a name. Kama Krishnyadi, Chaturdasha Kami. Again, Chaturdasha, there are 14 triangles. In one Kriti, indirectly, always, just to summing up, he remembers all these things in Charana Sahitya. Kama Krishnyadi, चतुर्दश कामिनी samsevita Mahamaye. See, we know what Maya. Here it says Mahamaya. When she appears, when she disappears, only she knows. We don't know anything. We are just like a parijat. Kamini samsevita Mahamaye. Next he says Kashmiradi Kumaryanta Punyakshetra Vasanirate. All the 108 Shakti Pitas from Kashmira to Kanyakumari. It says the Bharata Mata geography, he says, he has traveled, extensively has traveled all the 108 Shakti Pita. That he has used in this Sahitya. Kashmiradi Kumaryanta, Kanyakumari. Kashmiradi Kumaryanta Punyakshetra Vasanirate Kashyapa Vinuta Srividye. This stamp comes, Srividya. Sangeeta Shastra Visharada Toshite. Again, because Yachamachandra Vaidya is also a very great musicologist. So, he knows Sangeeta Shastra Visharada Toshite. Sharade, or Kamakshi, or Rajarajeshwari, or Lalita Tripurasundari, all their glory he remembers and expects and respects. That Sangeeta Shastra is the highest. Apart from the Lakshya and Lakshana, the devotion is most important. Of all these Kashmira, Kanyakumari, 108 Pita, Shakti Devatas blessings are much, much more needed. That is what in this 9th Bindu. If you want to be a Sindhu, you have to merge with the Bindu. That is what. Like this is the inner meaning indicated in all these kritis. In Bindu Kriti, it concludes Sangeeta Shastra Visharada Toshita. Now, it's a very rare raga. Just I will just play the scale. It's a 11th Medakarta, Kokila Priya Janya, derived from Kokila Priya. Sa pa ma mi fa sa mi pa da pa ma. It's also Vakra also. So only for the academic purposes that this can be played. Shri Chakra Pura Nivasini. ललितस्वर शुभ्रहार विराजिते श्रुतजन पारिजाते शुद्ध ललित स्वर experience of Sri Chakra. Before I conclude, I am very extremely thankful to all the viewers who are encouraging me by sending their messages by phone calls. It may not be possible for me to pass time to take answer all the messages. Through this, I give respect and pranams and all the blessings of Sri Chakreshwari to entire universe and to all the viewers. I conclude the Parashruti of this Sri Chakra particularly. Next session will be very shortly going to be. It has not been concluded. Jajamanatendra's Kritis, still there are only 9 chakras I have called up. For that, this is going to be the Mangala. So this session will continue. Now, to give this complementary close to this Sri Chakra 9 Avaranas, what is the use? What is the everybody always wants the purpose, the gain, what we get by listening or seeing, for everything. We want something should be there. So that what is that something is? For this is yatrasti bhogo nachatatra moksha. Yatrasti moksha nachatatra bhoga. Shri Sundari Sadhaka. Sundari Lalita Mahatripur Sundari. Shri Lalita Mahatripur Sundari Sadhaka Pungavana. See, who always recites with devotion. He is called as Pungavana. Lalita Tripur, Lalita Trishati, Lalita Sasana, like that. Sundari Sadhaka Pungavana. For him, the benefit is Bhoga as well as Moksha. Bhogascha, Mokshascha, Karasta Eva. Whichever you can choose. Or if you just recite all these things or listen, you get both Bhoga and Moksha. That is Yatrasti Bhoga. If you listen or recite something, you get only Bhoga or Moksha. But whereas if you recite or listen Shri Lalita Sundari's glory, you will get both Moksha as well as Bhoga. So with that, I will just sing in Madhyamavati, Raga Madhyamavati. I conclude. Yatrasti bhogo, yatrasti bhogo, nachatatra moksha. Yatrasti bhogo, nachatatra moksha. Yatrasti moksha, nachatatra bhoga. Shri Sundari Sadhaka Pungavana. Shri Lalita Tripura Sundari Sadhaka Pungavana. Bhogascha Mokshascha Karastayeva. Bhogascha Mokshascha Shri Sundari Lalita Tripura Sundari Lalita Mahatripura Sundari Sadhaka Pungavana. Pungavana Bhogascha Mokshascha Karastayeva. Bhogascha Mokshascha करस्त एव भोगश्च मोक्षश्च करस्त एव भोगश्च मोक्षश्च करस्त एव